treasurer of the organization, Raji Suris, here to tell us more about it all. Thank you both for being here today.
Thank you so much for having us.
And I think in this economic times, you all have picked a wonderful charity to put your efforts this year.
Yes, yes. The Tri-City Indian Women's Association has been in business and was chartered in 1994. And we have raised several funds for several organizations over the last several years. And this year, even though it is tough times, and we do see that when we sell tickets and when we go out for donations, and we understand the situation, and we are accommodative of that. But even if it's in a small way, we want to make a difference in the community, and so we said we will go ahead with it, and we will go ahead and do our annual event and raise funds for the Second Harvest Food Bank this year. And
have you done this masquerade masala before?
It's the first time. We've had...
Sounds like a lot of fun, though.
Yes, it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have food from Indian restaurant. Sahib Indian restaurant is going to cater the food, and the event itself is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a DJ, and we're going to play Bollywood music, which will be a different experience for people here, and we're very excited about it.
I notice you have a silent auction too?
Yes, we also have a silent auction, and we really appreciate, yes, definitely do, and we are really appreciative of the contributors from the community. And I have to stress on this, in the so many years, this is one thing we have noticed, that because of the contributions and the support we have from the community, we are able to do what we are doing, and we be able to help the women and children in the community, and we are really thankful for that. And this silent auction will be a success because of them. And she can tell you a little more about the silent auction, the items of the silent auction.
Yeah, we are really thankful to a lot of area businesses. We have a gift certificate from Kuti Brown's.
Oh boy,
we have,
I've been there.
Yeah, it's a nice restaurant. We have gift certificates from Apna Bazaar.
And it's a grocery, Indian grocery.
It's an Indian grocery store. We have parents, what is the night out, parents' night out.
Yes.
For the gymnastics facilities. A lot of different businesses have helped us out.
Movie tickets and things like that. And some are small, some are much bigger, bigger items. But whatever it is, the support we get is always very appreciative, extremely appreciative.
Yes, we want to mention too that this involves the whole community, right?
Yes.
Everybody should come and have a good time.
Yes, definitely. And we have, I'd like to tell a little about the organization, as we serve, our organization's offices in Bristol, but we have served the Tri-City area, the Johnson City and the Kingsport, and we have sometimes even served out of the state in Kentucky, Middlesboro, Kentucky, and we have also done at Morristown, Tennessee. And so we have seen that kind of support, and so when we have an event anywhere in the Tri-Cities, we see support from all the Tri-Cities. We sell tickets in the Tri-City area, and there are a lot of people who are very supportive for the cause and support the cause.
Okay, so this will happen the 18th. It opens at 6:30. How do people need to buy tickets ahead of time, or what?
Yes, yes,
you
please.
Would prefer that?
You want to talk?
Yeah, we can. You can call us. We have the telephone number up there, and
okay.
You can call us for tickets. We definitely need to know by Monday if you're coming.
Yes.
And we would really appreciate the support. We have sold tickets this time, but we would really appreciate more tickets to be sold, because with this economic times, as we just mentioned, we would really appreciate to see more people attend and support the needy. And we really talk about the Second Harvest Food Bank. There's so many people go without meals, even one meal a day, and that we all understand how difficult that is. And so we'd really appreciate if even a small amount comes into as tickets, that definitely goes towards the proceeds for the Second Harvest Food Bank, and we would really like to see more people buy tickets.
Well,
and really
their
appreciate
needs
that.
are very great right now. That's
yes,
for sure.
It sure is.
So, folks, please enjoy yourselves this October 18th at the Country Club of Bristol as the Masquerade Marcella takes place.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You know what? Also in October here, World Series time is getting closer. Major League Baseball's League Championship Series games are being played. Details coming up next in sports.